Tammy Slaton ready to drive, reveals dream car. Tammy Slaton has always been a figure of resilience, transformation, and controversy in the world of reality television. Over the years, fans of 1000 LB Sisters have watched her struggle through intense health issues, dramatic family confrontations, and a path to reclaiming her independence. And now, that independence has taken a brand new shape, one that has fans cheering and speculating wildly. In an unexpected turn of events, Tammy Slaton has revealed she is not only ready to get behind the wheel, but she has her sights set on a dream car that mobilizes freedom, change, and the next chapter of her life. It's a moment that signifies more than just learning how to drive. It's about Tammy finally taking control of her own direction, literally and figuratively. The buzz began when Tammy appeared in a short but emotionally charged TikTok video where she sat beside her sister Amy in the passenger seat and talked about the future. With a soft smile and a confident tone, she casually dropped the bombshell that she was learning how to drive. That alone was enough to send fans into a frenzy. After all, Tammy had spent years confined to wheelchairs, relying on family and caretakers for transportation and daily tasks. Just the idea of her driving seemed like something that would never happen. But Tammy isn't the same person she was even a year ago, and neither is her outlook on life. In the video, she confidently stated, "Y'all, I've been working with my therapist, and we all agree, it's time. I'm ready to drive. And not just that, I know what car I want. I got a dream car picked out and everything." With that announcement, her comment section exploded. Fans and followers began speculating on everything from what kind of car she could fit into to what kind of vehicle she would want. But Tammy didn't keep people guessing for long. In a follow-up post, she revealed her dream car, a matte black Jeep Wrangler. Why that specific car? According to Tammy, it's not just about aesthetics. It's strong, it's bold, and it can go anywhere, just like I want to do now, she explained with determination. The Jeep Wrangler reveal brought mixed reactions. Some fans applauded the choice, saying it fit her new adventurous spirit. Others questioned if she was truly ready, voicing concerns about her safety and physical ability. However, those closest to Tammy, including her brother Chris and her sister Amanda, were quick to jump to her defense. "Y'all don't know how hard she's worked to get to this point," Amanda wrote in a comment. "This isn't just about a car. This is about her life finally moving forward." Chris even offered to help her learn, joking, "As long as she don't crash into my truck, I'm all for it." The road to this milestone hasn't been easy. At one point, Tammy weighed over 700 pounds and struggled to breathe on her own. Driving wasn't even a topic of conversation. But everything changed after her weight loss surgery, her stint in rehab, and months of grueling therapy. She not only shed weight, but also emotional baggage. She started to see herself differently. The woman who once saw her life as stationary and limited began to imagine movement, freedom, and the open road. "It's not just about driving to Walmart or the doctor," Tammy shared in an exclusive behind-the-scenes clip. "It's about doing something I never thought I could do. It's about rolling down the windows, playing my music loud, and knowing I got myself there." That sense of personal accomplishment is something fans of 1000 LB Sisters have long been rooting for. Many have followed Tammy's journey from day one, from watching her lash out in frustration and fear, to crying as she admitted she didn't want to die alone. Those painful moments make the triumphs that much sweeter. And driving, that's one of the biggest wins yet. For Tammy, the symbolism of being behind the wheel goes far beyond the driver's license. It's about self-worth, capability, and no longer being trapped by her weight, by her environment, or by others' opinions. But learning to drive as an adult, especially after being bedridden and wheelchair-bound, comes with unique challenges. Tammy has been working closely with a mobility coach and a physical therapist to adapt her body to the movements required to operate a vehicle. "My body's changed a lot," she explained in one candid clip. "But that don't mean it's easy. Turning the wheel, looking over my shoulder, stuff like that takes practice. But I'm doing it. Every day I get a little better." According to insiders, she's currently working with a specialized driving instructor who trains individuals with disabilities or limited mobility. They've equipped a modified practice vehicle with extra space and supportive seating, so Tammy can build up confidence and skill without feeling limited. By standard equipment, and she's not stopping at just learning to drive. According to sources close to the family, Tammy has started shopping around for her very own Jeep Wrangler. She's considering used models from 2020 and later, hoping to find something with lower mileage and blacked out feature. Her goal, to have the vehicle before the end of the year. This time next year, she said in a recent video, "I want to be driving my own self to Thanksgiving dinner." The excitement doesn't end with the car itself. Fans are already imagining future content featuring Tammy's driving adventures. Some are suggesting a spin-off series called Tammy Takes the Wheel, while others have offered to help fund her dream car through GoFundMe campaigns. As of now, Tammy hasn't accepted any public donations, choosing instead to finance her new ride through show earnings and savings. "I appreciate y'all, but I want to do this myself," she stated. Still, the community support has been overwhelming. Longtime fans of 1000 LB Sisters remember when just walking across a room was a challenge for Tammy. Now, she's preparing to take on the roads of Kentucky and beyond. It's a reminder of how far she's come, and how much further she's determined to go. Even skeptics have had to take a step back and reconsider their views. One fan commented, "I used to think she'd never get out of that chair. Now she's talking about off-roading. That's real progress." Meanwhile, Amy Slayton has been one of her biggest cheerleaders, expressing how proud she is of her sister. "Tammy's doing what no one thought she could," Amy said during a recent live stream. "She's proving people wrong every day. And I love that for her." Amy even joked that she's nervous about being Tammy's first passenger. "I might have to wear a helmet," she laughed. But behind the humor, there's real pride and a deep bond between the sisters. Even more touching is the emotional side Tammy revealed during an interview segment. When asked what the first thing she wanted to do once she got her license was, Tammy took a moment before replying, "I want to drive to Mom's grave. I want to show her that I made it." The statement was met with silence, then applause from the crew. It was a raw, vulnerable moment that captured just how deeply meaningful this milestone is. For years, Tammy has been underestimated, criticized, and labeled. But now she's rewriting her own story, and the next chapter begins with keys in hand. While many reality stars come and go, few offer the kind of transformation that Tammy has delivered. Her journey is one of real struggle, hard-won triumphs, and the kind of growth that inspires others to believe in second chances. As the months unfold, fans will be watching closely to see if Tammy can hit the road solo. Will she pass the driving test? Will she find her dream Jeep? And more importantly, where will she go once she is truly in the driver's seat of her life? One thing is certain, Tammy Slayton isn't turning back. She's moving forward, 1 mile at a time, with her eyes on the road and her dreams in the rearview mirror. From reality TV star to potential Jeep owner, Tammy is finally ready to drive, not just a car, but her destiny. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.